back belt is one of our most popular accessories, yet a lot of customers don't know what it does. Today we're going to open it up and go over the belt. Let's go ahead and dig right in and open up our belt here. We're going to first start off by tearing off the plastic. Get that out of the way. Slide it open. Slide out the belt. You also get your instructions here, which make it very easy to use. Now, I'm going to place that off to the side. That's the portion that you're going to get with your unit. Helps you out a lot. The belt here, you're going to have your styrofoam pad. Take that out. Here's where you're actually going to take your cord and you're going to snap these on right here. That's all there is to that. Now you've got your straps. You've got your longer strap. And then your shorter strap. Each side has multiple pieces of Velcro, makes it super easy to use. So we're gonna place this one right there, opposite with this one here. You wrap this sucker around your back, spray a little bit of water on the pads back here. It makes it very simple to use. Again, a lot of people ask us, well, can you use your pads on your back? Of course you can. But the belt here, you never have to replace. All of our other products like the pads, over time, you're gonna need to replace them. They're not, they're not renewable. They're not made to be used forever. These are designed for you to use however many times you like. You can use it 1,000,000 times, 1,000 times, or just once. But you use it however often you like, and they won't wear out. You plug it right in, turn her on, increase the power. You'll notice power drops to 0 again because there's nothing touching, it's not connecting. Makes it as simple as possible, covers a much bigger area than your regular pads do, so you're getting a bit more effect out of your massage as well. Simple to use. Once you're done, you just shut it off, unplug it all. You can place it back in the box.